Hi, I'm Jake Simon from SocialFlight, and today we're here with Jenna. Jenna is very new to aviation, so we will be walking her through what it takes to build a T-51 Mustang. For starters, we will start out with a hat section and fit and cut it to the fuselage, so let's get started. Okay, so we're back, and with a series of cutting, flanging, and filing, we were able to make the finished product, and we put it on the plane, and it actually looks perfect. It was actually one of the best parts on the plane. So, I know you had fun. I had a lot of fun too. I was able to learn a lot. Hopefully you learned a lot.
Yes, I did.
And hopefully you'll be back and working on the plane next time. So, see you guys.